just want to start a flame in your heart. In my heart I have but one desire, and that one is you. No other will